I came to Greg because I was going through a child support battle where I didn't feel like I had a voice or my daughter had a voice. So I set out to find somebody that would represent my daughter and protect her, what she needed. So I was talking to a mutual friend of ours, and he highly recommended Greg. I think when I came to Greg's office that I didn't know really what to expect in this whole process, and the people here made it feel like such a family-oriented thing. You meet with several people, and each one of them makes you feel welcome. Each one of them listens to your story. So everyone's on the same page. They know, it's not like I can call up here and only have to talk to one person. I can call up here and talk to anybody, and they know what's going on with my case. And I think that's the best part, is that it's the whole office. You're not singled out to one attorney that's the only person that knows what you're going through. It's the whole office that is involved with your case, and it becomes a life form on its own. And each one of them plays a part in it, from, answering questions to meeting me in court. And if it's not one attorney, it's another, but they all know what's going on with the case. I absolutely feel safe with Greg taking on any part of the communication between myself and my ex-husband and making those decisions, even without consulting me. They don't do it without consulting me, but I would totally give them the right to do that because I trust them. I trust this office, I trust the staff members, I trust Greg, and I don't think I would have stayed with someone I didn't trust for 2.5 years. So, Greg is very intimidating in the courtroom. He's this nice person, and then when you get him in the courtroom, he's very intimidating, which I appreciate because I felt like such a small entity with my ex-husband in the room that I needed someone to kind of intimidate while I was being intimidated. He also has a presence in that courtroom where other people respect him, and you see that. And after sitting in so many courtrooms for 2.5 years, we're going to court about every couple of months. Not every attorney can walk in and have that relationship with other peers. And he walks in and everyone is respectful to him and respects him. Greg is with me, is very compassionate. I do believe every time I'm with Greg or around Greg, he first asks my daughter, how is my daughter doing? And that's huge, that's comfort. And that's what this has all been about. And it's not for me, it's for my daughter. I don't know if there's anyone else in Tulsa that I would agree to protect my daughter than Greg. I would highly recommend, if you had somebody that needed to fight for your kids, I would say that Greg would do an outstanding job.